Okay. Now we'll try. Here we go. These are the babies. Gotta see which one. Come on, Mama, move. This one. Okay, this is Tina. She's a girl. She's a torty point. She has it on her feet. Who's this? Hi, babies. And there's Mom. And this is Tootsie. She's a torty point. See her little nose? You can see it on her nose. Mother. Oh, this is the little boy. Thinking he's probably... No, that's the girl. It's hard to... Okay. This is Tia. She's a seal lynx point, and she's reserved. She's so cute. And she got her hiney washed. Okay, this is a boy. This is a boy. We're thinking maybe... Hey, you. Seal point or blue point. Hard to tell yet. And this one's a flame point. We're not quite sure. This is a boy. Not quite sure if he's going to go. He's TK. Hi, guys. Here's that little boy again. I don't know if he's a blue point or a seal point. His name is Tito. Tito. Okay. This one's Tina. She's a little torty point. Huh, babies. You can see it on her feet. Tootsie. It's a girl. It's kind of hard to hold them and see her little nose. Who else? I think that's it. Hey, guys. Okay. They know I've got some goat milk for them for their little extras, so they're looking for it. Okay, yeah, this is the little girl. You can see on the tip of her tail, she's got a little cream spot on the tip of her tail where it's light. And then on her feet. And that's Dottie's favorite boy. TK. Hey, guys. Tootsie. Whoops. Meow. Sorry, it's not too focused too well.